For centuries, the boundary between life and death has been a veil of mystery, shrouded in myths and deeply personal accounts of the afterlife. But what happens to our minds in those final moments when the heart stops and the body begins to shut down entirely? This is the world of near-death experiences, or NDEs, a phenomenon where the consciousness seems to transcend the physical form at the threshold of death. Across cultures, from ancient civilizations to modern urban centers, people describe remarkably similar patterns: a tunnel, a bright light, and a profound sense of peace. Many report out-of-body experiences, watching medical staff work on their bodies from a vantage point near the ceiling, detailed and strangely detached. They speak of entering vibrant landscapes, meadows of impossible colors, and meeting deceased loved ones who radiate warmth and unconditional acceptance. But science seeks a different explanation. What if these visions are not a glimpse of the beyond, but the brain's final spectacular fireworks display? Neurologists focus on the temporal lobe, a region associated with sensory processing and memory, which may trigger these vivid hallucinations under extreme stress. During cardiac arrest, researchers have observed surges in gamma waves, high-frequency brain activity linked to intense focus and conscious perception. This sudden burst of activity might explain why NDEs often feel more real than real, even as the heart has stopped beating. Another theory, the dying brain hypothesis, suggests that a lack of oxygen hypoxia triggers the sensation of flying or moving through a tunnel. Simultaneously, the brain may release a flood of endorphins and natural neurochemicals to dampen pain and induce a state of profound euphoria. Yet, mysteries remain. Why are these experiences so highly structured? Why do they follow such consistent narrative arcs across different belief systems? Science provides the mechanics, but for those who have returned, the experience remains a life-altering bridge between the biological and the profound. Whether a neurological reflex or a true journey beyond, NDEs remind us that consciousness is far more complex than we ever imagined. As we continue to map the brain, we may one day decode the final secrets of the threshold. Until then, the light remains.